Hey, I'm back again with another video. So today I'm actually going to be teaching you guys how you can actually buy land in Earth 2. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial how you can actually buy land and how to get your account set up so you're ready to go. So I'm just going to share with you a quick step-by-step guide on how you can do this so you can guys get out there and start buying some land. It's a bit buggy at the moment, and they're aware of that. I just wanted you to know that they're aware of like the issues. There are buggy issues and stuff like that at the moment, but that's just because there might be a few people, just issues that they might be having at the moment, as it's something new. It's only like a few weeks old now, or a month old. So first up, you want to come to earth2.io. I forgot what it's called, but I will leave the link in the description to the website itself, and I also leave my referral code, which you actually save 5% on anything you purchase, so it will benefit you long term. So if you continue to purchase, and it costs you nothing to use my referral code, it benefits you long term. So first up, you want to click the sign up button, put in your email address, you'll get an email, you just want to confirm that, so they confirm your account and then you're ready to go. So once you've done that, it should send you back to the login here, click the login, and you should be ready to go. You should load up your account, and once it's logged in, I'll explain to you further what we're going to do next, how you can buy it. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you first join. As I'm aware, you will get the same display as me. So at first it might be confusing, and you might want to read up about earth.io. Feel free to come down here and click the terms and conditions, or you want to learn more about it, click here as well. So if you want to learn more about it, I will be releasing a video about that in the near future. So first up, when you come on here, this is what you probably see. You're already logged in, you just want to click that and you'll see what you'll see that load up. So as you can see, it will tell you like the title price and per title and total. So on the right side, you will see what the total price of anything you purchase. So this is what you will see when you first log in. You'll probably see a map and you'll be confused at first maybe. So at first you want to go to like somewhere for example, first you want to deposit money into your account. So you want to come to here, as I'm aware, you just want to click buy land and it'll take you to here. So if you click buy land, it'll take you to where I am right now. So once you come onto here, you want to go down to where you want to buy land. You have to kind of go pretty close. So let's say I just go down to here, I go pretty close to here. Oh look, I can buy, sometimes it will take a while to load, but yeah, as you can see, tiles appear. So how you actually buy it is you come down here, and then you have to click on to the tiles that you wish to purchase, and then you want to go more details, and then it'll allow you to buy it here. And then you can actually deposit, pay with your balance, or you can apply my promotional code here, which I will leave link in description. You can use a promotion code to save 5%. You can pay with PayPal. You can pay directly with PayPal, or you can deposit into your balance, or you can use your balance. So what I've actually been using is PayPal, which is just simple. It's really easy to use. So I'll just quickly show you how to pay with PayPal. So you'll load up this, then you'll log into your account. Once you're logged in the account, it'll just want you to confirm the payment, and then you should own the land. It will confirm once you've put in the money in. Just wait for it to process, and once this is finished, you should see a confirmed payment complete. And now you will own the property. As you can see, it allows me to put my flag. So it actually tells you that I own this place, and it's confirmed it there. And it cost me $4.17. Now that's the first step. You can do it just directly like that, or you can go into your profile. As I'm aware, you can look at like all the properties that you've owned here. You can look at your transactions, settings, everything like that. Here you go. This is where you can actually deposit money into your account, and you can use this using Visa, MasterCard, whatever you wish to use. So if you used Visa, it'll just simply take you to PayPal and you do the transaction there. Now, a lot of people might be sketchy about this platform and you might not be aware of it, but you're pretty much buying, it's a game, it's virtually a game, that's what it pretty much is. And I just personally wanted to share with you how you can actually purchase properties. Now, you can add credits this way as well. So let's say you want to add, I'm just going to use this as an example. So you pay with, you want to deposit into your account. So you do the same process once again, but now you actually have credit, which will appear here. It will take a moment to load, but once it's loaded, it will allow you to have ownership, have the money into your account, and it's instant deposit. There's no fees. As I'm aware, there's no fees. I will have to double check in that, but I'm pretty sure there's no fees to purchase. So as you can see, instantly I can see $1.20 in my account, and this shows my total value of everything that I own, all the land, and you can see that on top right of your account. Now, if you want to actually set up your account a little bit, you can withdraw funds here too. So if you sell your land, you can withdraw your funds. And the process is really simple. You just want to confirm that, and yes, you're all ready to go once you do that. Now, you can simply use my referral code if you guys do want to save some money. Feel free to use that. You'll save 5%. I own 429 tiles of land. And if you want to check out like the marketplace, this is another place you can buy. This is where people you can directly sell to and they directly buy from you. So this is another option. It's really not that hard to do this sort of stuff once you get the hang of it. It's pretty much laid out very simple for you. Now, if you want to look at like certain countries, you can come here and it'll show you like how many places have been bought, what's the prices went up. You can check out certain places here if you want. But yeah, all this sort of stuff, I just wanted to make a quick guide to help you guys learn how you can buy. And now this is where I can look at my the places that I own personally. So this is my portfolio, and this is what I've actually bought already and owned. I have made purchases on the marketplace as well, and I just thought I'd share with this quick guide with you guys. Hopefully this helps you out, and thanks for watching, and good luck with everything. And feel free to keep a lookout for a review. I'm going to be doing a review on this very soon. Thanks for watching, and if you want to use my referral code, you can use the referral code below, and you should get 5% off any purchase that you make. I appreciate you, and thanks for watching, and good luck with everything. Good luck with your purchases.